Welcome to the revolution of AWS Lambda, the bedrock of serverless computing that's redefining application development and deployment. AWS Lambda represents a leap in cloud computing, enabling you to run code in response to events without the burdens of server management. This introduces a paradigm shift toward more efficient and cost-effective computing by letting you focus solely on your code, eliminating the need for infrastructure provisioning or maintenance. AWS Lambda excels in its simplicity and power, offering functions as a service, FaaS. It effortlessly processes data in real time and integrates with other AWS services, providing a versatile platform for a variety of applications while ensuring scalability, affordability, and considerable reduction in operational complexity. We'll soon embark on creating your first Lambda function, uncovering the practical steps to harness the power of serverless applications. Diving into AWS Lambda opens up a new world of possibilities for tech enthusiasts and professionals. We begin by creating a Lambda function, a simple yet transformative step into serverless computing. With a selection of supported languages and environments, you tailor the function to your project, ensuring it meets your specific needs. The core of AWS Lambda's functionality lies in its triggers, events that prompt your code to run, from data changes within an AWS service to HTTP requests via Amazon API Gateway. These triggers not only simplify your workload, but also extend the scope of integration and efficient data processing. This foundational knowledge sets the stage for the more advanced and complex applications we'll explore, illustrating the seamless transition from theory to practical, scalable solutions. AWS Lambda has continually proven its value by automating routine tasks, processing extensive data streams in real time, and laying the groundwork for advanced serverless applications. The efficiencies gained through automation, coupled with Lambda's real-time data processing capabilities, empower businesses to make informed decisions swiftly. AWS Lambda champions the development of serverless applications by removing the overhead of server management, enabling a focus on innovation. The next phase of our journey will take us deeper into how AWS Lambda's integration with other AWS services amplifies its functionality, expanding the horizons of what's possible with serverless computing. AWS Lambda reaches its full potential when integrated with other AWS services, unlocking unprecedented capabilities for serverless applications. The fusion with Amazon S3 for storage, Amazon DynamoDB for databases, or Amazon API Gateway for APIs opens a realm of innovation and optimization. By fine-tuning factors like memory allocation and leveraging features like provision concurrency, we achieve unmatched efficiency and cost-effectiveness. Adherence to security best practices ensures our applications remain secure and resilient. As we proceed, we'll delve into strategies for optimizing performance and cost, ensuring our serverless applications not only excel in functionality, but also in security and efficiency. Reflecting on our AWS Lambda journey reveals the breadth of what we've achieved. From the basics of setting up a Lambda function to exploring the depths of serverless applications and their integration, our path has been enlightening. AWS Lambda has illustrated a new way to think about and engage with the cloud, elevating our applications through automation, real-time processing, and seamless service integrations. Yet the journey doesn't end here. The world of AWS Lambda is vast, offering limitless opportunities for those willing to dive deeper. Numerous resources await to further your exploration, from comprehensive documentation to community forums. This journey is an ongoing invitation to innovate and lead in serverless computing. Your next step in this adventure could revolutionize how we view technology's capabilities.